everyone and welcome to my channel. Okay, so what question we have today? So you can see options 1 to 4 have halogens and we are being asked about their electronegativity order. You have read about electronegativity from grade 11-12 onwards. You know about halogens and this order of electronegativity as well. So you can very well answer this question that fluorine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, and bromine is greater than iodine. That is the order of electronegativity of the halogens. Now, what is the periodic trend for electronegativity? Now see, I have written here across the period the electronegativity increases. It increases across the period, while down the group the electronegativity decreases. So what's the reason? So let's again recap whatever we learned in grade 11 and 12. So across the period the nuclear charge increases, that we all know, right? Atomic number increases, number of proton increases, nuclear charge increases, and with the increase in the nuclear charge electrons are also consecutively added up as we move from left to right across the period. So across the period is left to right, down the group is top to bottom in a periodic table. Okay, so nuclear charge increases, electrons are also added as we move from left to right across a period. And this increase in nuclear charge, what it does, it attracts the electrons more closely towards itself. So electrons are attracted more closely by the nucleus, or in other words, electrons are tightly held together as the nuclear charge in an atom keeps on increasing from left to right across the period. And what is electronegativity, by the way? You know the definition, you know the meaning of electronegativity. Yes, it is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons in a covalent bond more towards itself. Okay, for example, let's quickly revise HCl. Chlorine is a highly electronegative element as compared to hydrogen. So the electrons that are shared in this HCl bond, these electrons are more attracted towards chlorine. And that is the electronegativity of chlorine. Its tendency to attract electrons more towards itself. So nuclear charge increases from left to right across a period. Electrons are also added, and this strong nuclear pull attracts the electrons more towards itself. So as we move from left to right in a period, electronegativity should increase. Okay, now what happens down the group? So down the group, nuclear charge, as usual, it should increase, okay, because atomic number is also increasing as we move from top to bottom in a group. But at the same time, the atomic size also increases when we move from top to bottom in a group. And this increase in the atomic size is much more dominant down the group as compared to the increase in the nuclear charge, right? So as we keep on moving down the group, although nuclear charge increases, but atomic size increases to a much more significant level. Okay, and what happens due to this? Due to this, the distance between the nucleus and the electrons, they keep on increasing. And as the distance between the nucleus and the electrons keep on increasing, the attractive forces of the nucleus, they obviously get weakened. And that is why electronegativity decreases as we move down the group. So for smaller atoms, the electrons are closer to the nucleus, and for bigger atom, these are far from the nucleus. Okay, so across the period electronegativity increases, down the group electronegativity decreases. So that is the logic and reason behind this. So you can also say this in other words, that small sized atoms or ions, the atoms which are smaller in size, their electrons are more close towards the nucleus, and that is why their electrons are held more closely together, and that is why their electronegativity is also very high. So if you look at this question, then you can see here, so among halogens, so this order is down the group. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So this is the arrangement in a group, the halogen group. So fluorine is topmost and iodine is at the bottom in this halogen group. So topmost group means what? It's smallest in size, right? Fluorine is smallest in size amongst the halogens and iodine is largest, okay, largest atom. If we compare the size of the atoms, they consistently keep on increasing as we move down the group from fluorine to iodine. Size is getting increased and that is why electronegativity is getting decreased. Okay, the small size, more compact atoms or ions, they hold their electrons very tightly, and that is why size plays a very important role in determining the order of electronegativity. And that is why our option 3 is the correct answer for this question. And now, based on this note, after listening to all these explanations, now I'll give you a question. Can you solve this question now based on whatever we discussed? Okay, so this is a question on electronegativity and we are being asked the correct order of electronegativities. Please write to me in the comment section the answer of this question. And here it is a comparison between fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon. And if you have the clarity about the periodic table and the position of atoms and elements in that table, then you know in which group and period these elements belong. So between fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon, can you tell me the correct order of electronegativity? And that is a small task for you. Please write to me in the comment section the correct answer of this problem. And if you have any queries, you can write to me again in the comment section. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you find my videos helpful for you. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and see you soon with the next problem.